sin square a by 2, sir.
Yes, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Okay, good, super. Next, Tanush. Naveen, yes. Harish, R. Harish, Harish Ra, are you there or not? Ra? Hmm? A Akash, A Akash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the sin 3a formula, amma? What is the sin 3a formula?
Sin 3a, sir.
Yes.
The 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a.
Yes, very good. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay. Next to Harish R. Hmm? Akshaya K. Akshaya K. Akshaya. Okay, ma. So today we will start example problems. Okay. So today I will explain any app whiteboard dana. Okay. Today you can see this board is comfortable means I will explain this board only. No, sir. Previous I am explaining no blackboard. Sir, that is better means that is I will explain. Okay. So once you can check both today. Now, see, man. So this is the problem. First problem, page number 53. Page number 53, first problem. What is the problem, sir? Convert to 40 degrees 20 minutes into radian measurement. See, here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So power 1 dash means minutes, nana. Power double dash means seconds. Okay, 1 minute seconds. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now here, see, actually what is given, sir, in this problem, 40 degrees 20 minutes. Convert to radian measurement. Already you have textbook, radian measurement. So here what you can write, sir, 40 degrees 20 minutes means 1 degree is equal to what? 60, no? So you have to convert to this also degrees only. Means what you can write, sir? 1 degree is equal to 1 by 60. Means 20 minutes means 1 by 60. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. 40 into 1 by 3. Here already you know fractions. Convert to mixed fractions. 40 into 3, 120 plus 1, 121 by 3 degrees. So 120 by 3 is asking convert to radians. Means radians formula already you know. Yesterday I am given. radians formula. What is the radians formula, sir? Pi by 180 into degree measurement. Pi by 180 into degree. So pi by 180 into radian. So these two we can multiply here. See, 1 minute, I will share screen. Right. Okay. See now here. This is the 40 degrees. You can convert to here. So wait. See here what is given. 40 degrees. Okay. 20 minutes is given. 40 degrees, 20 minutes is given. You have to convert to radian measurement is asking. Radian measurement means what you can read, sir? 180 degrees is equal 5 radians. 5 radians. Yes. So now here 1 degree is equal 60 minutes. So minutes you have to convert to degrees means 40 degrees into 20 by 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So 0 will get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So 40 into 1 by 3. 40 into 1 by 3. So once you can copy Nana this one. Wait, I will share the screen. Okay. So here up to here, anyone doubt, ma? Anyone doubt
No,
up
sir.
to here?
No, sir.
Now understood now this con? Okay. So here is equal, see, 40 into 3, 120 plus 1 by 3. Already you know converting into radians. So here 121 by 3 degrees. So now here convert to radians means 121 by 3 into, already you know formula, radian measurement, what you can write, sir? 5 by 180 into 5 by 180 into degrees. So now here 121 into 5, 121 5 by 18 3 is a 540. 81 3 is a 540 radians. Okay. So this is the problem. I will share a screen, Nana. Okay. Once you can write now, first problem you can write. First problem, you can copy them.
Sir, image is not visible, sir.
Not visible. 1 minute, amma.
Sir, put it in chat box, sir.
Okay. 1 minute now. Now, amma. Now, okay, right?
Sir, not visible, sir.
No, nothing is visible, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir, I will take a screenshot and put it in chat box, sir. Now it's visible,
Okay.
sir. Now again went,
Oh.
sir.
Okay. Little bit network issues. Okay. Now is coming now. 1 second. First problem you can copy. Okay. Second problem I will explain. This is better or blackboard is better, right?
Sir, this is better. Sir.
This is only better, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. I will follow this method. But this is will take time more here. Okay. Writing and explaining.
Sir, now it is blurry, sir.
Okay, ma.
Sir, like I have took the screenshot and put in chat box, sir. Like that only image is there, sir.
Oh, okay, ma. Okay. Now we can see, amma. I'm sharing chat box. Got it? Huh? Okay. See, Nana, next problem. See, second problem, what is asking, Nana? Convert to 6 radians into degree measurement. 6 radians means already you know pi means radians 180 degrees. 6 radians means what you can write, sir? Here radians means C. This you can write. Radians means what you can write? 180 by pi into radian measurement 185 180 by 5 into 6. So now here pi is equal to what is the value, sir? 22 by 7. Yes. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into 6. So 180 into 6, what you can write, sir? 1080. See here you can see better. So pi radians is equal 180. So 6 radians means 180 by 5 into 6 degrees. So 180 by 5. 5 means what you can write, sir? 22 by 7 into 6 degrees. So this 180 into 6, what you can multiply 1080. This 7 denominator value you can come by numerator by 22 into degrees. See this calculus part you can do 343 into 7 by 11. Why is that? See here 2 11 ja, 2 5 ja, okay, 2 4 ja. Into degree measurement you can convert to year. You can convert to year. So now here, wait, I will share the screen. Okay. See now here what is given? In 6 radians is given. So now here 5 radians is equal 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 6 radians is asking. 6 radians means what you can write, sir? Already you know formula. (180 degrees) by 5 into 6 degrees. 6 degrees. Pi is equal 22 by 7. So now here 180 by 5 means 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. Once again copy none of these. So here see none here. So 180 8 in 6. What is the 8 in 6 value? What is the value? 8 in 6. Tables ra. I am asking you 18 only.
1080.
1080, yes. 1080 into 7. This 7 will come by numerator, so that's why into 22. So here 2 1 ja 2. So convert to here nana. Okay. So 22. So this divided by nana long division method. So how many times? 343. First you have to multiply 1080 into 7 by, after already you know long division method. Okay, divider, coefficient, remainder, this and all, this method already you know. That method you can follow. 343 degrees plus 7 by 11 degrees. So here 343 plus 7 by 11 degrees you can convert to, means 1 degree is equal to into 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So again you have to long division method, already you know this one, plus 343 degrees 38 minutes. Okay, so wait, 38 minutes is equal 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. Means what you can write, sir, here 343 degrees 38 minutes plus this also you can do long division method, means 109 seconds. Approximate value you can write. Approximate value you can write. Okay, see, dot means degree, only single line means minute, in power double line minutes, sorry, double line means seconds. Double line means seconds. So this is the convert to into radians. Okay, wait, Nana, I will share the screen. You know long division method, already 8th standard only were studying. You know or you don't know? Okay, Nana. Already I am
We know,
sharing.
sir.
No? Okay, that once you can see, Nana. Chat box I am sharing. No.
Sir,
Tell me, Nana. Completed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, Nana, third problem. See what is given, sir. Third problem. Find the radius of the circle in which angles of 60 intercept on the length 37.4. Here pi value is given already. Some cases they will give Nana pi value, some cases they will not give. Okay, pi means 22/7 in radians value. In degrees means pi means 180 degrees. Okay, don't confuse. Degrees in pi means 180 degrees. In radians, pi means 22/7. That is the difference between radians and degrees. Okay, so now here, see what is given, sir. In this problem, length is equal to r theta. That is the formula. Length already is given 37.4. Theta means degrees is given 60 degrees. 60 degrees convert to radians means what? 60 into pi by 180, 0 will get cancelled, pi by 3. So r is equal to what you can write, sir? L by theta. L value this one. Okay, 1 minute. So now here in third problem, what is given, sir? In third problem, length is given. Actually formula is L is equal to r theta. L means length, r means radians, theta means degree. Okay, what is given, sir? In L value, L is equal to 37.4 is given. Theta is equal to 60 degrees is given. In theta, this 60 degrees convert to radians means what you can write, sir? Here 60 degrees means convert to here means 60 pi by 180 by 180. So 0 will get cancelled. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. So L value you know, theta value you know. So now here r is equal L by theta. R is equal to L by theta. So r is equal to length means what you can write, sir? What is given in
That's-
problem? 37 point. Yes, very good, man. Super. 4 by theta means what you can write, sir? Pi by 3. Pi by, give reply, Nana. If you give reply means you are listening or I understood. Okay, I am also happy. Okay. So now here 3m. Okay, so R is equal to 37.4 by 5. This numerator will come now into 3. So pi means already I told. Pi is equal to what you can write, sir? Pi is equal to
22/7, sir.
yes, super 22 by 7. So now here R is equal to 37.4 into 3 by here what you can write, sir? 22 by 7. So now here R is equal to 37.4 into 3. This 7 also numerator will come now. Okay, so by 22. Now we can do calculation part. Okay, so this is the converting radian. Wait a minute, I will share the screen. Okay, now that problem you can see. I am sharing chat box. Once you can see and you can write nana. Third problem. So fourth also same nana. Okay, fifth one I will explain. Okay. So once you can copy that one. Completed. Huh? Completed. Huh? Completed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. What about remaining the only one person only opening the mouth? Just now
Complete.
completed, no? Lunch time. Lunch over or not, right? Huh? What special in home? Okay, ma. So give reply, Nana.
Lunch hour, sir.
See, ma, what is given? So here, if the arc means circle of the arc, same length means length value same in two circles also length L, first circle of length L, second circle of length same. So in this angle 65 degrees and 110 degrees. At the center, find the radius of the circle. Okay, so here angle one circle is theta 1 is equal to 65. One more is theta 2 is equal to 110. So here theta 1 is equal to 65 degrees. Means you can convert to radians, means what you can write, sir? 5 by 180 into 65. So already you know 13 5 is 5 30 is 3 6. So first one theta 1. Next to theta 2 110 degrees. 5 by 180 into 110 0 0. So now here 2 by 36. Okay, 2 pi by 36. 110 degrees is equal. So same you have to convert to R1 T1 and R2 T2. Okay. So what is the formula, sir? Already you know length is equal to R into theta. So here lengths are same, equal. Equal means R1 T1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 by R2 is equal to this theta will come here means theta 2 by theta 1. So theta 2 value what's that? 22 pi by 36 by theta 1 value what's that? 13 pi by 36 means reciprocal reverse only, no? So 36 by 13 pi. 36 will get cancelled, 5 will get cancelled. Okay, so 22 by 13 means 22 is to 13. Okay, I will share whiteboard now. Wait. One minute, Nana.
Sir, put in chat box, sir. It is easy to write when we say in chat box, sir.
Yes, that only. Okay, now. See, my fifth problem. So here 65 degrees, comma 110 degrees is given. So for example, this is theta 1. So 65 degrees. 65 degrees means what you can write, sir? Convert to radians. So pi by 180. 13. Pi 1 is 5. Pi 3 is here. Pi 3 is 15. Pi 6 is. So theta 1 is equal to 13 into pi by 36. Theta 1 is equal 13 pi by 36. Now here same like that you have to find out theta 2 also. What is the theta 2, sir? Theta 2 is given by 110 degrees. So theta 2 is equal 110 into convert to degrees means pi by 180. Pi by 180. So now here what you can write, sir? So 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay. So theta 2 is equal. See what he is doing. Numerator and denominator is multiplying 2. Why, sir? 36. T1 also 36 is coming. Yes. So that's why he's multiplying. That is ever wish none. Calculus part any method he can do. Okay. So he is simply that purpose is multiplying numerator and denominator. Actually, see here what will come, sir? 11 pi by 18 only will come. So what he is doing? Numerator and denominator is multiplying with 2. So 2 means 22 pi by 18 to the 36. Okay. So don't confuse. Sir, how, sir? Means you can take 11 pi by 18 also you can take. Okay, will come. Now already you know length is equal to here L is equal to R1 theta 1 second circle length R2 theta 2. So now here two circles of the length are equal. Equal means what you can write, sir? R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. Okay. So R1 theta 1 value you are find outing what, sir? 13 pi by 36 is equal to R2. You don't know, you can find out. Theta 2 means what you can write, sir? 22 pi by 36. LHS equal to RHS values will get cancelled. Pi pi. So R1 13 is equal to R2 22. So now R2 by R1 or R1 by R2 is equal to what you can write, sir? 22 is 32. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, already I am sharing Nana chat box. Once you can copy. Okay. Okay. Next, exercise problems. So exercise problems, what's what is asking Amma? See, first problem. First problem, find the radius measurement of corresponding to follow the degree measurement. First one, 25 degrees is given. 25 degrees means here what you can write, Nana? 25 into degrees, 5 by 180. So radians you can convert. So 5 by 36. Okay. So 1 minute. ఇప్పుడు వద్దే వద్దు. Okay. See Nana, exercise. Exercise 3.1, page number 54 amma. Page number 54. First main, first one is asking 25 degrees amma. 25 degrees you can convert to radians is asking. Means what you can write, sir? 25 into 5 by 180 into radians. Okay. So here what you can do, sir? 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is so 5 into 5 by 36 radians. Okay. Once you can copy Nana this one. So once you can copy and exercise 3.1, first main, third one and fourth one Nana. One is 240 degrees, one is 520 degrees. Homework. Okay. Second one I will explain. That is degrees and minutes also is given. So that is I will explain by tomorrow class. Okay. Today class, anyone doubt? Today class, anyone doubt, Amma?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, Nana, Monday portion, Monday you are writing test, no? Okay. Morning MCQs test. Yes. What time morning? Morning you are writing, no, daily. MCQs, objective.
6:30, sir. Sir,
Ma?
6:30.
6:30 to
7:30, sir.
7:30. Evening, Nana? Evening subject to you are writing, no?
Sir, 6 to 7, sir.
6 to 7.
6 to 7. What is the marks, Nana? 20 marks, huh?
Sir, evening 40 marks.
40, sir.
40 marks, huh? Okay. So this time only one exercise only completed, Nana. So that's why I will give by 20 marks. Okay, the 20 marks into 2 I will do. For example, 20 out of you got 18. So 18 into 2, 36 out of 40.
Okay.
Okay, only one exercise only completed now. So that's why. So up to subject 2, I gave 3.1.
Sir, only 20 marks weekly test, sir. Last week it happened unit test, sir. So it was 40 marks, sir.
Oh, okay. Actually 20 only, yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually 20 only, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So any doubts, ra? So MCQs I will ask you generally, ra, total concept I am asking. Formulas, okay. Sin 2a formula, sin 3a, sin of 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, sin 60, sin 30, like that. Oral concept I am asking. Whatever I am explaining, Okay, that bridge course or this week, that orally I am given by MCQs full chapter, subject to only evening time, only 3.1 exercise up to examples and exercise. Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, ma'am.